Hello friends, in this video let us see how to create people graph in Excel easily. Now Excel has made it easy by providing add-ins in the App Store. Let us consider the sample data for creating a people graph. Go to Insert tab and then in the add-ins group you will see these three add-ins, out of which people graph is one. If you do not find it here, you can click on Get Add-ins and add the people graph add-in. Now click on this people graph add-in. This will insert a basic people graph which we need to customize basis our data. In the top right corner of this graph, click on the data icon and select the range like this, and then you can add the title of the graph here. You can see the graph showing the data accurately. Click the settings icon and change the type, theme or shape basis your requirement. We can click on the side menu to access further options like to delete, reload, show as saved image if you want to print. If you want to make further edits, you can go back to the menu and again click to uncheck the show as saved icon to remove this locking. Similarly, you can add different combinations of shapes and visualizations, and then you can directly use the output for your presentations. Got it? So friends, in this way you can create people graph in Excel easily. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.